This video is to help you navigate through our course, AFM097. If we look at the green tabs over to the far left, the first one is Announcements. It comes up on your page when you click on your course. I already have posted a Welcome to Online AFM097. Welcome to Online AFM097. Please explore the online class by beginning with the Start Here button. Email me with any questions or concerns that you may have. Can't wait until we start the course on May 7th, Mrs. S. So a couple of things there. I like to be called Mrs. S, or you can call me Mrs. Steelman, either one. But over here, you'll see those green buttons, and the announcement was referring to this one, the Start Here button. We're going to go down from the top so you'll know how to navigate this course. If I click on the one below Announcements, it's the discussion board, and I've set up several forums in the discussion board. The first one is the Student Lounge. This discussion forum is for students to socially interact with other students. For example, you could share what other courses you're taking or what campus activities you are involved with. The second one is the Think Tank. This discussion forum is for questions about the course that you might like to ask your fellow classmates. For example, when are our notes due? Often your peers can answer your question in a way that is easily understood. This space provides a place for you to converse with your classmates, but if you do not get the information you need within 48 hours, please contact me by email, office hours, or phone. As your instructor, I will be happy to answer your questions. The third forum already set up for you is the introductions. You'll need to do this the first week. It tells you exactly what to do to create a new thread by clicking on Create Forum and type your name as the subject. Type your name, your major, and 2 or 3 things about yourself in the description box. For example, I like to go camping, and my favorite food is pizza. Then you need to respond after 2 other classmates have posted by clicking on their thread and hitting reply. The next green tab down is the tools, and there are many tools there for you to use, and you'll get to those by simply clicking on the tools link. My Grades is where, just as it says, it stores your grades and it labels them as quiz or homework or exams or notes. Going back up to the green tabs, the next one is the Start Here. And the Start Here will tell you a lot. It gives you, first of all, the introduction video, which tells you about me. Then the navigation video. Then we have the syllabus and the course outline and calendar. The instructor's information, how to contact me. There's my email, there's my phone number, and this is where I'm actually at on Middletown campus. My office is 505A. It also goes over non-attendance policies, netiquette statements, what plagiarism is and how to avoid it, technical help, the computer skills you need for this course, and accessibility, as well as the Privacy Act. So there is a lot in the Start Here button which will help you understand this course. Student resources, if we click on that link and then click here again on student resources, it links it to the Cincinnati State Student Resources and Support information. It tells you about academic advising, gives you phone numbers, academic support, personal and learning support, as well as career services and technical support, childcare, transportation, and student activities. There's also the calendar and the news under that tab. So going back to our green tabs, there is Blackboard help. And then there's course assignments. Course assignments is where you're going to find everything that we're going to be doing. And I'll scroll down. They're divided in among our 7 weeks. We'll take a look at week 1. If we click here, it tells you in week 1 what you will have learned. It also gives you a checklist of what is due and what you need to do. The introduction video is posted there as well. And then the instructional videos for week 1 are posted there. So if I click on that, I see the instructional video for 7.5 and 7.6, which you simply play by clicking the arrow. Going back to our week 1, there you have the week 1 notes. You need to submit your notes from the instructional videos here. Week 1 quiz is here for you to print out and take. And then finally, you need to submit the quiz here with instructions are given on both of those. So going back to our green tabs, we're right here, and that's My Math Lab, which is your online homework. To get to your homework, you simply click on the My Math Lab link, then Assignments. And say we are doing section 7.5 homework, which is your first homework. You can see there are 20 questions. And if you click on the question, it will bring that up. And it gives you a place to submit your answer. For example, this first one is x divided by 6 plus 5 equals 8. And it gives you a choice of answers there. Going back then to our green tabs, and we'll have to go back through My Math Lab. And we see that we have Final Exam Proctor. Final Exam Proctor will give you the instructions for what to do for the final exam. And that is how we navigate through the course. Certainly if you have any questions or if you need help, contact me again by email or phone or office hours.